Gang. What's up, like I am back with another video, and today, as you can see by the title down below, I will be fixing my iPhone 6, my other phone. I will be fixing the screen. I ordered the whole part, all the parts, all the stuff that you need for it. I'm just sticking onto there, and the little kit that you can get with it. And yeah, I'm just gonna be fixing my phone. I watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos, and I have done this before. So if you have never done this, be very careful. And before we even start, you gotta turn your phone off. So I'm gonna turn it off. It's about to die anyway. I'm gonna turn it off, okay? And you need like a white layout or something that's big, so that you can put all the screws and pieces on. So yeah, y'all, I'm not really gonna be talking. I might do a override of my voice over top of it, but I'm gonna have the camera on me fixing it the whole time. So yeah, y'all, let's get into the video. Gang. Okay guys, so it is the next day. Right now I'm at work, but I just wanted to end off this video because I'm just gonna explain to y'all it did not work. I thought I was a little mechanic.
Man, don't cut this off.
I thought I was a mechanic trying to fix my phone, and it did not work at all. It actually made it even worse. It didn't make it even worse, but the pieces, I don't know if y'all will understand, but the pieces inside of the phone won't click on because the pieces don't fit that I ordered. So I guess, I don't know, I might just take it to the store because that was just so much work. Y'all don't even want to know. It was just so much work, so much teething, there's so many little screws and stuff, and I think I lost about 3 screws. So yeah, I'm gonna just probably take it to the shop. I thought I was a little mechanic, but I guess I'm not. So I'll see y'all in the next video. If you like this little trying to be tutorial, trying to fix my phone, etc., give it a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and join the gang. If you're not with the gang, then you're not with the right gang. And I will see y'all in the next video. Deuces.
Yeah, and I don't know why don't do it to me.